were caught in a dance, you were lost in the trance of another Arabian night. Arabian nights, like Arabian days.